Alright, so in level 1, we're going to be finding slope, or dealing with problems with slope. Now, it's important for you to understand that 4.2 is very similar to 1.1, the first objective of the year. So a lot of this is going to be a review. Now, the one thing that is not review is this notation right here. Basically, what that means is whatever you plug in for x is going to go in the parentheses, and the y value is going to be what you get out. So really, this means a coordinate of 5, 7. Similarly, x and y means x goes in the parentheses, -2, and 11 goes out. What that means is f of -2. F of means that's the number you would plug in to get the y value of 11. So in number 2, when I'm given f of 2 equals 3, what that really means is 2, 3. And when I'm given f of -4 equals 5, what that really means is -4, 5. So now what we have to do is we need to find the slope. Now don't forget slope up here. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. It's no different than what we've done before with slope. Remember, it doesn't matter which y value you pick. So I'm going to pick 5. I'm going to subtract the other y value, which is 3. Now since I chose 5 first, I have to choose the -4 first. Right? I chose 5 first, so I got to choose -4 first. Minus 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. Over -6, which is -1/3, and that's the slope. Okay, hopefully pretty straightforward. For number 3, we have 2, 5, right? G of 2 equals 5. And then be careful, we have x, 9. Kind of weird, but one of the points is x has an x value of x. We don't know. But we do know that the slope equals 2/3. What that means is that we're going to write our equation, our slope equation, which is pick a y, subtract the other y. Since we picked 9 first, we got to pick x first, -2 equals 2/3. Alright, now we're going to have to cross multiply and solve, right? So what's 9 minus 5? Well, first of all, that's 4 over x minus 2 equals 2/3. And then we're going to cross multiply. So now, here's where you got to be careful. When you do 2 times x minus 2, you're really doing it times the whole thing, distributing, equals 3 times 4 is 12. So we're going to have to distribute here, so you got to be careful, right? So if you distribute, you get 2x minus 4 equals 12. And then what you're going to do is add 4 over, and then eventually divide by 2. So you get 2x equals 16. When you divide by 2, you get x equals 8. So really the important part is right here, being able to set up the equation and then remembering to distribute the 2. Hope this helps.